Xin chào everyone. Vietnam Steve here. Thanks for tuning in. Off to have some delicious squid for lunch today. And it's going to be a short one. Just going to film this lovely dish and give you the ins and outs of eating squid in Ha Long. One of the things that happens here is that people come to Ha Long for holidays from all over Vietnam, and they go straight to this restaurant I'm going to now to eat the juicy squid. So come on, let's go see what it's all about. Been down this alley once before. It's between the buildings, and you might remember this one when I got lost going to the bank. Let's go.
Em về bên kia luôn. Bên đấy khi ở ngay chỗ người ta ra để
A bit of squid out there, and we're going to get some of that on our plate very shortly. Welcome to the Squid restaurant. So any of you been to these little Vietnamese restaurants, you know we sit on the small chairs. I just changed that one out. It's a brown one with a crack in it, and the only crack we want on the chair is mine. And I've got a yellow one that it looks a little bit stronger. So we're sitting inside because it's about 32, feels like 39 today. However, only got the fan going here, not the AC, so it's pretty warm. Let's see what a dish up here. And this is today's lunch. This is a sort of a sweet Vietnamese sauce that goes in there, along with some chili flakes. This is actually the squid. So deep fried squid is on my menu, being a fried king. This is pork inside a flour sort of rice paper, but it's made of rice flour, and that is going to be delicious. Really looking forward to tucking into this, and I hope you like the squid shop. All right, let's tuck in. I'm going one-handed here, so got the squid. Got a few extra chilies going into my bowl here, and we'll have a bit of a taste test, and I'll tell you what it's like. Soft, succulent, squiddy goodness. Fried to perfection. Very nice. And then this one, it's more of a porky thing. I'm not going to get all that in my mouth. Which one does this get dipped in? Where do I dip this one? Which one? Okay. Apparently this one goes in here. I'm only going to eat a small mouthful of that because that's too big for me. Hold on. Well, that, my friend, is porky goodness in sort of some flour arrangement. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. I'll take a photo of this place when I leave. Put the name in the YouTube, and you can come here when you're in Ha Long. Famous with tourists. Very popular here in Ha Long, and we're lucky to actually get in. We're just getting some takeaways now, and then off for the afternoon siesta. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you in the next one. New squid getting packed up over there, and this is making the dumplings and cooking in the hot oil. How many do you make each day? How many does she make each day? How many dumplings per day?
Ông bảo là chị nặng bao nhiêu cái này một ngày. It can how because 4 giờ.
I'm a comedian. Thank you. So no lunch is ever complete without coconut coffee. So I'm just going to duck into the cafe here, Cafe, and see if I can get a coconut coffee to finish off the day.